Imam Ali says, "Oh my son Hassan, there are two types of rizq. A rizq which you run after, and a rizq which runs after you." Yes. There is a rizq which you run after, and there's a rizq which runs after you. The rizq which runs after you, it will definitely reach you, and it will reach you quicker than your death. But whether it reaches you in halal or haram is your decision. That's a fundamental line. You want an increase in rizq? Have the increase in the rizq. But ask Allah to give you a rizq that is halal, not a rizq that goes towards haram in our actions. One day, the Imam made it clear. He left his horse outside Masjid al-Kufa. And the moment he left his horse, he asked someone, he said, "Listen, I'm leaving my horse here. I'm going to leave him here. Please look after the horse." The Imam went in, came back out, looked around. "Where's my horse?" "Horse is gone." "Horse is there, but the saddle's gone." "So where's my saddle?" "I'm sure my saddle was on this." It looked like, what did the guy do? The guy had taken the saddle of the Imam, and the guy had gone towards where? To selling it in the market. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib was walking through the market, looking towards the market, seeing if he can find a saddle. What does he see? His saddle in front of him. And he comes, and Imam Ali was thinking, you know what? If that guy had just stayed behind, I would have given him 2 dinar for looking after my saddle. So he came towards the person who had the saddle. He said, "Assalamu alaikum." He said, "Excuse me, that's my saddle." He said, "Are you sure?" He said, yes, I'm sure." He goes to him, "Are you sure?" He said, "Yes, I'm sure." He said to him, "Okay, up to you." This guy came and he sold the saddle to me. He said, "For how much?" He said, 2 dinar. Yes. Had that person waited to earn his money in halal, that 2 dinar was written for him. The 2 dinar would have reached him eventually. But instead the person decided to go through haram instead of going through halal.